It is with a very heavy heart that I address you today. The pain of losing a person or a loved one, the horror of holding your family member in his or her final moments, the anger of someone being so reckless, so thoughtless, that their bullets destroyed one's life, are emotions no individual should ever have to endure. I sympathize with the families of those who lost their lives through stray bullets during this period. As you know, the death of anyone diminishes mankind, but the brutal and callous assassination of Elijah Ahmed Gulak yesterday, 30th 2021, on his way to Sambakwe Airport is painful because he did not deserve to die that way. The death of this compatriot is a personal loss to me because he was an invaluable friend and a brother whose sense of justice, fairness, and uprightness endeared me to him. I was shocked to my marrows when the sad news of his callous murder was broken to me. I was getting ready to go to church when the sad news came, and I could not attend the church service again. It was simply one of the most devastating news I've had in my life, and I'm yet to recover from the shock. It remains a puzzle to me why anyone would want to murder him in this gruesome and vicious manner. Elijah Ahmed Gulak was in Imo State for a national assignment. He came to Owerri with the Senate Committee on Constitutional Amendment. Being a humble man, he chose to travel incognito, according to his friend that was with him during the incident. Someone must have trailed him from his hotel to the airport. That is exactly why this gruesome murder appears to be a clear case of political assassination. Let me make it very clear that everything will be done by security agencies to find those who murdered Gulak and their sponsors. They will not, by the grace of God, escape the punishment they deserve. On our part as a government, we are not sparing any effort in ensuring that the murderers of this patriot are quickly arrested and prosecuted for their evil deeds. Imo people are very hospitable. The events of the last few weeks do not represent who we are truly. I believe that the ongoing police investigation will uncover the whole truth. It is a common knowledge that those who are innocent need not be afraid, but the guilty will never go scot-free.